Hey everybody, Keenan George. I'm an entrepreneur in the city and I'm very excited for you guys to come and be a part of this program. On the day that I am there, I cannot wait to have amazing conversations with you guys about connecting with people, building impactful relationships, really making change in your community and living the life that you want to live. So that's what we're going to learn. That's what we're going to talk about. You're going to enjoy it. We'll see you then.
Hello, my name is JOLENE Watson, professional speaker, trainer, and personality expert. I'm also the president of Clarity Coaching and Development. I am honored to be a facilitator in this school. I get to speak about my favorite topic, which is personality type and career options. Understanding what your natural strengths are is so important in choosing a future career that's going to be enjoyable and sustainable. Are you more of an extrovert or an introvert? Are you more detail-oriented or big picture? Value-driven or logical? And finally, are you more spontaneous by nature or more planful? It's really important to understand what you're naturally good at. It can be really helpful in choosing your path going forward. My original career was in veterinary medicine, and today I have the opportunity as an entrepreneur to speak all over Canada on stages. I also get to do career options coaching, team building, and I get to teach at multiple business schools across Saskatchewan. I look forward to finding out what your personality type is and to exploring some fun options with you. I hope you have the most amazing day.
Hi, it's Sydney from the Style Academy. I can't wait to meet all of our life school participants and help them bring their personality to their resume. Whether it's applying for that first job or starting their own entrepreneurial adventure, I want to make sure that their clients and future employers have the best first impression of them. Let's get creative and let's make that resume stand out.
Hi there, my name is Mandy Thomas and I own a financial literacy company. I'm so excited to be a part of Lifeschool and to speak to you during the financial literacy module. So I'm going to be sharing more about my personal story and how learning about money isn't just about the numbers and the tangibles. It's super important, but it's just one piece of the puzzle to living a happy and fulfilling life. It's also about how you feel about money. I personally saved $250,000 by the time I was 26, and I still struggled with my money mindset. I felt a lot of anxiety around money, and I ended up getting really, really sick because of it. And through my journey and through my story, I hope to empower you to really dive into learning everything that you can about money and to also work on how you feel about it and your mindset around money. I can't wait to see you inside of the program.
For myself, I became an entrepreneur at 21 years old, and less than a year into my business, my whole world was disrupted by trauma. Had I not started the journey of professional development at like 17, it was the 7 habits of highly effective people, and then Rich Dad Poor Dad, learning about real estate. I bought my first home by the time I was 20. And then, Dale Carnegie, learning leadership skills and feeling like I could call myself a leader. Yeah. And then going into entrepreneurship and having this disruption, thinking my life is changing forever, now what? Yeah. And I think that's why I'm so driven to support that age group.
Hi everyone, Stephanie here. I'm the Life School coordinator, and I am beyond thrilled that this program is finally launching. Prior to coming to the Style Academy as the makeup educator, I taught in a school setting. Originally, I was a high school teacher specializing in language arts and English. And then I later on went to be a jack of all trades and taught in elementary school. We did a lot of brainstorming on what we wanted to create because we knew that we wanted to work with youth. We wanted to teach something unique. And so Life School is about teaching students skills that they may not learn at home, or they may not learn or get exposed to much in another school setting or in other parts of their life. Now, as the coordinator, it is really, really important to me that this program is, you know, educational, but it also has to be like engaging, you know, and it also has to be fun. So when you come to Life School, you will not only be taught, you know, important skills, and we're going to teach and lay it out explicitly for you, but we will also just give you time to ask questions and to engage in the material and to work on projects and little tasks to help you understand what you are learning. I hope that you will join us. You know, it's going to be an incredible 6 weeks, and you know, I can't wait to show the public and the world how wonderful you are, and to send you on your way as a really, really successful candidate for all the jobs that you'll be looking for, and just someone that is equipped just to tackle life.